Okay, so going freehand, parts of a dissected kidney. So first of all, on this kidney, before we even open it up, it has the renal capsule still attached to it. So that connective tissue on the outside is renal capsule. While I'm here, this area of the kidney right here where the tubes come out and go in, that is the hilum or hilus. When I think of hilum or hilus, the other way I think of it is like on a kidney bean. The kidney bean has that indented area. That's the hilus. Okay, here's a section of the kidney. This region is the region of the cortex. This region is the region medulla or medullary region. And in this medullary region, we can see pyramids. So that's a pyramid, that's a pyramid, that's a pyramid, that's a pyramid. The tip of any one of the pyramids, like right here, is renal papilla. So there's a pyramid, there's a renal papilla. I'm trying to get the pointer under it, but renal papilla. On this half over here, there was one that I saw that was kind of exposed. There's that tip of the papilla where the urine is produced. So the urine would come off of this papilla, and then it would go into these areas here. Ooh, if we open this up, we should see a papilla down there, kind of. And then the urine would come through somewhere in this neighborhood would be renal pelvis, and then there's the ureter, the beginning of the ureter. And I think those are all the structures I could ask on one of these kidney dissections. So to recap it, what's the organ? Of course, the organ is a kidney. What is this connective tissue covering called? That's renal capsule. What is this region of the kidney? And that region, again, where the tubes go in and out, that region is the hilum or hilus. Going over to this one. What layer or region of the kidney is this? That layer or region is the medullary region or medullary layer or medulla of the kidney. What region or layer is this? That region or layer is cortex. How about name this dark reddish structure here or here or here? Each one of those is a pyramid or renal pyramid. How about this structure here that I'm trying to get I can kind of pick it up a little bit. The tip of the pyramid. That is renal papilla. Renal papilla. And then how about this organ, the beginning of what organ is here? And that would be ureter. I think on a nice gross kidney dissection like this from a pig, I think that's about as good as I can do. Thanks for watching.